I'm so excited to share my product purchase premiere order from the Onstage at Home this past weekend. In my box, I received my mini January-June 2001 catalog and our celebration brochure. I'm so excited. One of the perks of going to an Onstage event is getting to be one of the first to have the catalogs in your hand. And it's always so much fun when you receive it to flip through and see all the new products. The next thing I wanted to share with you is the Garden Wishes stamp set and the coordinating dies. This happens to coordinate with our suite of products that you're starting to see sneak peeks of and are in the photos that I'm sharing with you today. I think you're really going to love this suite of products. And of course, we've got the fun little ladybug embellishments and that Mossy Meadow braided twine that goes with the suite. In addition to what you've seen already with this suite of products, we've also got these really cool laser cut papers that'll work with it. Next, I'm going to share with you this beautiful art gallery suite. It's got all kinds of accessories, a yummy textured 3D folder, dies, the stamp set, and this beautiful gold ribbon, along with some surprises that you'll be seeing over the coming weeks. We have a new product, and I'm really happy to see these. These are blending brushes, and they're not sponge, they're actually brushes. So they're going to be fantastic to use on our projects. Another bundle is going to be the Floating and Fluttering butterflies along with the coordinating dies. This is going to be so much fun come spring, and who doesn't love butterflies? To go along with the art gallery, we've got this beautiful hand-painted looking designer series paper, a gold foiled acetate that's going to be wonderful. Masculine patterns and colors. This suite of products will have this beautiful designer series paper and some coordinating twine. I love the gray along with the Night of Navy. That's going to be so much fun for masculine projects. Kits. I always love kits, and they make for great gifts in addition to quick and simple projects. This kit has got this absolutely gorgeous, I hope you can see that, Bermuda Bay box with foiling on it. And it'll make 16 cards, so that's really fantastic. And I can't wait to share a kit day with you where we can craft together. I think these big, bold greetings are going to be great for making individual projects after I've finished my kit. On to celebration. We've got some really cool things with celebration. We've got a 12 by 12 designer series paper stack and a 6 by 6 that's ombre. So much fun for the spring. We've also got several stamp sets, and I think you're going to have a lot of fun with these. And we've got this darling little donkey stamp set. This stamp set's going to be a lot of fun for us animal lovers, and I'm going to be sure to create a project for my team after party this Friday, so watch for that. I hope you've enjoyed this little sneak peek of my Onstage product purchase premiere. And remember, if you're a current customer of mine, you'll always receive the current catalog in the mail as soon as it's available. So watch for it coming soon. And as always, if you need any products, you can stop by my online store. Simply click on the link from my blog, Stamp with Jini. Thanks for joining me.